Hello, good day everyone. Welcome back with another video. Today I'm going to show you the art of making a bed to a true 5-star hotel standard. A perfect stay started with a perfect bed. So let's get started. Always check the mattress condition. Look for any stain or damage. A 5-star hotel bed must be clean and comfortable from the very bottom layer up. Next, we will apply the mattress protector. We need to stretch from the four corners. Now for the pillows. Before we start, check the pillow protector. If you find any stain or damage or any linen, do not use it. Report it to your supervisor or return it to office. Only use fresh linen. Same thing we will apply on pillow cover. If you find any stain or damaged pillow cover, please report it to your supervisor or submit in the office. Always use fresh pillow cover and fresh linen on the bed. Now next step is placing bed sheet. Place your bottom sheet over the mattress. Ensure it is the perfectly centered. The secret to a 5-star hotel is the tucking. Make sure all the four corners are pulled tight and smooth. No wrinkles are allowed. Next step is a top sheet. It's depending on your hotel standard. You can layer this under the duvet. If your hotel standard is not using the top sheet, you can skip this area. So next step is inserting the duvet. When inserting the duvet into the cover, make sure it reaches all the way to the corner. Use a well-ironed cover for the professional high-end finishing. When you are placing the duvet cover on the bed, please make sure all the four corners is equally adjust top of the bed. And the last, you need to check from all the corners this is equally divided on bed. It will be look professional and it will match the 5-star hotel standard. Next step is placing pillow on the bed. This is depend on your hotel standards. Some hotels are placing in a standing way, some hotel is placing in a different way. So follow the hotel standard. Our standard is like this, so I'm placing in a standing way. And the last, give the final touch up your bed and make it more presentable. That's it for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Bye bye, take care, and see you in next video.